If I'm praying a loud prayer behind an Imam and straight away when he says Allahu Akbar, I say Allahu Akbar, and I'm just about to say my open supplication, and straight away he's jumped to saying Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, should I drop it so I don't talk over him?
Right. How long have you been Muslim now?
Maybe 3 years.
And you know, you're asking a question now. Wallahi, I'm telling you, can I pick you up in a Muslim now who's been born a Muslim, is now 50 years old, okay? That stage that you're asking about, he's not knowledgeable about. Wallahi, and I'm not joking. By Allah, that you're asking me something that this person, he said, what are you talking about? Subhanallah. May Allah make you steadfast with the Iman, inshallah. Yes, when the Imam starts reciting, you cut off everything, because إِنَّمَا جُعِلَ الْإِمَامِ لِيُؤْتَمَّ بِهِ. Imam was meant to be followed. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وَإِذَا قُرِئَ الْقُرْآنِ فَاسْتَمِعُوا لَهُ وَأَنصِتُوا. If the Quran is to be recited, then listen, quiet. So cut off everything and recite it, because the Imam is your Imam. Okay, he will recite on your behalf. He will do it because his recitation is loud. And by the